Okay, I need to assemble this together a little bit. Okay, I would like you to be right here. You're funky fresh. You're totally awesome. Okay. In a moment, I'm going to introduce you all. I want to see some funky, fresh dance moves. If you're 18 and older, maybe throw a little sexy in there for everybody. Or a lot of sexy. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen! I bring to you all the way from Is that in the 404 district? Atlanta's own Trainettes! What you girls have going on up here is incredible. I don't know if you guys think this is sexy, but I don't. Maybe throw a little bit of that down. I mean, you know, I know you got it in you. All right, obviously, you're saving your energy for the singing part, so come on, let's gather around me, and we'll try the singing part. We're gonna call you four the Soul Sisters, by the way. And we're gonna call the rest of you guys. I wish some of you would add some sexy to your dance, girls. Okay. I'll sing the part that I need you to sing, and then you try it. It goes like this. She's on fire. Ready? Incredible dance moves. Would you mind just showing everybody for 1 second? Just go ahead and throw down a little bit of a funk beat for the girls. Congratulations, everybody. That was incredible. You got the freshest thing going on here, girl. Okay, so the Trainettes will sing the She's on Fire part, and the Soul Sisters are going to be incredible at that. And then if you guys could sing the other part, I'd appreciate it. If you don't know the words, please, just make some shit up. I don't really care what it is. Are you ready?